Hey guys, what's cracking lacking? We got two tool reviews. This is by Powerbuilt Zone. Um, AutoZone's got it under their Duralast brand. This was an advanced auto brand, but they no longer carry it, so O'Reilly's carries this now. Die at Advance has the exact same set, and there's a set on Amazon I'm thinking about getting. They're all the same. They're the I think you'll see the video later, but they have the better grip on them. They're tighter. I'll piece the video here in a second so you guys can see what they fully are. But I need them today because, yeah, we got some issues here. Yeah, I don't know if they're going to move, but I need the 10 millimeter here. Let's see, which one was it? This one right here. That'd be the 10. And give me a second, let me pause this. And I went out and bought, well, I ordered in a Durotech 11 millimeter. It's got the exact same 6-point grip, just like these. But I'll show you a second. Just like these. But the Durotech's a little bit more aggressive. And this thing is smooth. But the problem is, these are supposed to be 11 mils. That's that side. This side don't fit it. Unfortunately, kind of. Whoops. This side don't fit it, unfortunately. But yeah, they're completely gone. So, further ado, let me stop the video here so you guys can see the review on this one. What is cracking lacking, boys? I got something quick for you guys. I've got a must-have sockets by Powerbuilt. Yeah, it's an 8-piece. And here's what the sockets look like. It's freaking cool, ain't it, guys? Alright. So you guys are probably sitting here wondering why I'm talking about a socket set. Okay, here's a 10 mil. The exact same. Here's a 10 mil out of my other case, okay? Yeah. That's all we're going to say, boys. We got her out. Well, I won't go back in socket. Yeah. Here's another good side bolt. Well, she's rounded. I wish I had a good way to hold this camera there. I guess you guys can probably see all that. See all that slop? Not much tighter it is. Here's one you got a bead in. So I think I proved my point, boys. So there's probably a lot more people that carries this style, guys, but O'Reilly's got this in stock. I think I paid like, oh, 20 bucks for this, something like that. I've been seeing it there on and off. So it's 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 19. Kind of sucks. I wish I could find a bigger set of these, but I have to say, these sockets got me out of a bind. So, further ado, I'll catch you guys later then. Alright, boys. Don't mind this one. This is a work in progress. We have this Tuki Topkin, whatever, Topec. There's your part number. This kit has saved me multiple times. So, this kit goes, let's see, quarter or 6 mil, 5/16, 8, 3/8, 10, 7/16, 11, 12, half, 13, 9/16 and 14, 5/8 to 16. Now this is where I hate. I wish they had a 15 there, because there's a lot of bolts I ran into that I needed a 15 easy out. But we'll get to these in a second. 17, 11/16, and 3/4, 19. I wish they would have had an 18, but I haven't ran into that yet. But further ado, these are easy outs. These are nice. There's the deeps and shallows. Same thing. Yep, exact same thing. What I need is a 11, which I believe is this one. The only thing I hate about these, I wish they would have stamped it instead of engraving. I think. Yep. So this has the hex. You can put a hex wrench on it or a 3/8 drive on it. This one's going to fit perfect. So, let's see if we can get you set up and see what happens. Give me a minute. Alright, boys, let's see. Can you guys just sit up here and watch? Maybe. Alright, I think I got you guys sitting up there pretty good. Let's get this thing beat on here. I need a different hammer. Bigger. Wheel. Oh, yeah, that's right. I don't need that yoke. Alright, busted one off. Now there is a driver inside this kit to pop these out. I don't need the yoke, thank God. I don't know, what can you guys see? Okay, so you guys are watching. If you guys are wondering how good this thing works, there you go. She bites. Yes, I am not gentle with my tools. I'm not pampering my tools. If you can't handle being abused like I'm doing, then they're not. Then you shouldn't be in my house. That's why I'm not going to buy $500,000 worth of tools just to abuse them. Because here's what I look at it. China and Taiwan is going to give these tool truck a run for the money. Damn. There she goes. Yep. Here's another one, boys. And let's switch over to the tin. Better. Okay, give me a second, boys. Oh, that won't work. Alright. Well, somebody made that. See, there's no damage to that head of that bolt. No slipping, no nothing. Now, could I use a regular 10? Maybe. If I known that was a nut and bolt. It may have worked. But this is what I wanted. There you go, boys. There's that, there's that. Wow, guys. Yeah, I'm glad I don't need this. That's in bad shape. So there you go. There's your your two tool reviews. There's this one and there's this one. But like I said, this one saved my bacon so much. Alright. Catch you guys later then.